Hi everyone, my name is Melissa. I'm an image consultant and stylist. Thank you so much for coming today. I'm going to be teaching you today about discovering your season. So when I say season, I don't necessarily mean discovering your favorite season of the year. I'm sure all of you know which season is your favorite season. But I'm aware that most of you right now are about to graduate college and you're about to get into the world, to work, your career, your dream job. So today, when I say seasons, I mean more about the relationship between colors and clothing. So first of all, let's talk about seasons really quick. So as you all know, seasons, there's 4 different seasons throughout the year. There's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And for each season, there are actually a set of colors that are different. So, colors. First of all, we have primary colors, secondary colors, and natural colors. So the primary colors are really unique because they cannot be made by mixing any other colors. So they're the leaders. Then we have yellow, blue, and red. And then by mixing yellow and blue, we get green. By mixing red and blue, we get purple. And by mixing red and yellow, we get orange. And so that's how we get the secondary colors right there. The neutral colors, on the other hand, are not considered colors. So if you say that your favorite color is black, you're not really saying your favorite color because these colors are not included in the color wheel. So what these do is that these are more the basic colors, all the neutral colors. And then what happens is that we mix the primary colors with the secondary colors and the neutral colors, and then we get different types of hues and tones, and that's how they are divided into different seasons. So, as I say, we're going to discover our season, and for that we have to know how we know it. We have to discover how we know our season. So, what we have to analyze first is our characteristics. So first of all, we need to know our hair shape, eye color, and skin color. So depending on these 3 different characteristics of yours, we determine our season. So let's discover what season you are. So first of all, we have spring right here. As you can see here, these are some little pictures from the spring season, the weather. And then these are some examples of the colors from spring. These are not all of them, but just some of them. And we have golden yellow, aqua, bright green, clear blue, so salmon rose. So as you can see here, I'm not just saying yellow, blue, red, because these are colors that are mixed with neutral color, depending on how much white you put in it, how much black, or you put in it, the tones and hues changes. So these are some examples for spring colors. And then for your characteristics, so how do you know you're spring? So for your hair, you need to have either natural golden blonde, strawberry blonde, or red blonde. And for your eye color, you have to have a blue eyes, green eyes, or honey brown color. And for your skin tone, you have to have golden beige, pink beige, or ivory. So here are some examples of people who are spring season person. We have these 2 individuals here with blonde hair, blue eyes, green eyes, and then ivory beige skin tone. So these are some examples for spring. And for summer, it's a little tricky between spring and summer because the colors are a little bit similar to each other. But what you could remember is that the summer colors are a little bit more vivid. So as you can see here, some examples for the summer colors. It's powder blue, gassy pink, lavender, and plum. Especially these 2 colors are really good for you if you're in summer season. Well, how do you know you're summer? Here are some characteristics. So your hair shade should be dark ash brown, dirty blonde, your eye color should be gray or blue, and your skin tone should be pale pink or beige. And here are some examples. So both of them have dirty blonde hair, blue eyes, and then beige colored tone skin. So as you can see here, her color is really vivid, and that's why it looks really good on her. This is another example of, it's kind of hard to distinguish this color between spring, but this is more pale pink than pastel pink, if you understand the difference. But that's a summer color. Alright, so for autumn, we have red colors such as reds or oranges, or deep greens. And as you can see here, obviously, if you look at the fall season, we can see all of the trees that have all those colors together. So that's why these are autumn colors. And then your characteristics will be a hair shade with dark brown hair, red or copper hair, and eye color golden brown, hazel, dark brown, or skin tone olive and warm beige. So for example, I'm an autumn because I have brown hair, dark eyes, and olive skin. So I'm an autumn season. And here we can see an example. These two individuals have brown hair, dark eyes, and olive skin. And that's how we know that they are an autumn season. And finally, for winter, we have the colors such as ice blues, cool yellows, cool greens, and the basic color for winter person, it's the blue color, and then the tone is really cool. So it has a cool feel to it, as you can see a little bit over here. It's a lot of blues together, and obviously on the pictures of what the season, you can see that too. And here are some characteristics for the winter person. So it will be a hair shade who's black with dark brown, eye color is black or dark brown as well, and skin tone who's yellowish olive or a dark cool tone. And here are some examples for winter. As you can see, dark hair, dark eyes, and dark skin, and then the vivid colors, cool tones, vivid colors. So I know that I just went through like a lot of information. So let's analyze with some people that we're familiar with, so we kind of understand more the theory. So let's start with Jennifer Aniston. So as you can see here, I have two pictures of her with a dress. And I don't know about you, but I just feel like she looks way better on this dress than this dress. And it's because she's over here, she's wearing her color. She's a spring, and so that's why this color reflects the best on her, rather than the reddish orange color that she's wearing over here. As a summer, we'll have Cameron Diaz. Again, she looks stunning on both of them, but somehow here she looks a little bit more older than over here. This color is her color because she's a summer, and then this color really reflects her color, skin color and eyes and hair more than the orange over here. And as an autumn, we have Sofia Vergara. As you can see here, she doesn't look bad in either of them, but this dress reflects her skin tone, eyes, and hair way more than this nude color over here. And finally, we have winter as Beyonce. And again, we have two pictures here, and this color it's rebrand on her characteristics. It looks better on her than over here. So that's how we know which dresses to wear sometimes. That's how we can decide what color to choose. So let's move to my demonstration board. And I'm just going to show you an example of ads and advertisement on magazines, because this theory is not only used for a personal purpose, but professionals also use this theory as well. People in the industry for photography, advertisement, TV media, they all use this color theory to reflect the person that is on TV, and that so that they can look the best. So here I have an example of spring. This girl is a spring girl because she has a blonde hair, beige skin, and green eyes. And so she's wearing these colors, spring colors. So that's an example, an ad by Gotex. This is an ad by Gap. She's a summer girl. She has dirty blonde hair, blue eyes, and beige skin. And again, over here is the plum color that represents the summer. So that's another example. I have an ad by JCPenney over here. And they're using a fall girl, an autumn girl, And her hair is brown, skin is olive, and brown eyes. And they're using the colors such as oranges and warm blues. And again, this is representing autumn colors. And finally, we have a Nordstrom ad with a winter girl who has dark skin, dark hair, and dark eyes. So the cool blues, again, they're the best for this girl because it represents her season. So as I said earlier, sometimes we go shopping, we don't really know what to buy. We like something that doesn't really look good on us, and it's not because it doesn't fit, but because you're not choosing the right color. So for example, when you go into a wedding, or when we go into a special event, you need to go buy a dress or a shirt, and then you don't really know what color is best for you. Knowing this theory really helps you to understand what to wear and not what to wear. So anyone have any questions? Yes.
I was told like jewel tones were best for my skin tone. Which season does that fall into?
The jewel tones?
Is that a specific season or no?
Well, you are a summer girl because of your characteristics, but jewel tones as in like what kind of colors do they tell you?
Royal blues or like emerald greens and stuff like that.
That's good because, so as I said earlier, the colors are the same, like because of the primary colors, blue, red, yellow, but the way you mix them is what changes everything. So as you said right there, the bright blues or the vivid blues or greens are good for you because they're more of your season rather than a warm blue or a warm green, which is for autumn. So that's good. Any other questions? All right, thank you so much. I hope you really understood the theory, and then I hope you can apply it for yourself when you go shopping or an event. Thank you for listening.